question number 11, IIT JAM 2024. Okay, so two distinct integers are chosen from 5 consecutive integers. If the random variable x represents the absolute difference between them, then the mean and variance of x are what? So let's assume that the numbers are anything: a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, and a plus 4. These are 5 consecutive integers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let x denote the absolute difference between the two. So if I select two integers out of this, how many total cases? 5c2, so 10 is the total number of cases. Now let the difference be 1. The difference either can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Now if the difference, let's call this the probability. Difference of 1, a and a plus 1, a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 2, a plus 3, a plus 3, a plus 4. So how many cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cases are there. So 4 by 10. Total cases are 10. 2 difference, a and a plus 2. 1, a plus 1, a plus 3, a plus 2, a plus 4. So 1, 2, 3. 3 cases in total. Difference of 3. A and a plus 3, a plus 1 and a plus 4. Okay. So basically 2 cases. Difference of 4, a and a plus 4 have a difference of 4. So 1 case. So this is what we have. So the multiplication x into probability of x. So 4 by 10, 2 into 3 by 10, 3 into 2 by 10, 4 into 1 by 10. Total is 20 by 10. So the expectation is basically, expectation x is 10. Now, what I'll do is x square into the probability. I'll do 4 by 10. 4 into 3, 12 by 10. 9 into 2, 18 by 10. 16 into 1, 16 by 10. So expectation x square will be how much? 30 plus 20, 50 by 10, which is equal to 5. This is equal to 2. So expectation x square is 5. Variance x is expectation x square minus expectation x whole square. Expectation x square is 5. Expectation x is 2. Whole square is 4. Answer for the variance is 1. Answer is D, 2 and 1. JAM 2024, question number 12. Consider two independent random variables x and y. 2x plus 3y follows normal mu sigma square, and the values of mean and variance are what? So mean, let's call this z. Expectation z is nothing but the mean. So expectation of 2x plus 3y is what we need to find out. 2 expectation x plus 3 expectation y. 2 into expectation x plus 3 into expectation y. 10 plus 9, 19 is my expectation. What about the variance? Variance of z, which is sigma square, variance of 2x plus 3y is 4 variance x plus 9 variance y plus 6 into 12 covariance xy. Now they are independent, so no question of covariance out. 4 into variance x is 4, 9 into variance y, which is 2. So 16 plus 18, which is equal to 34. That is what my answer is. A.
IIT JAM 2024, question number 13. We have to find out the optimal value of the linear programming problem. Maximize z equals to 2x plus 3y subject to these 3 inequalities and these non-negative constraints. Okay. So our first task is to draw the feasible region. Okay. So we will be drawing these 3 inequalities, and the feasible region will be the region that these inequalities together will satisfy. Okay. So let us look at the first one. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. So, if I draw this line 5x plus 4y equals to 20, okay. So when I put x equals to 0, I get y equals to 5. And when I put x equals to 4, I get y equals to 0. So suppose this is 5 and this is 4. So this is 4 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 5. Okay. So this particular line is my yellow line, 5x plus 4y equals to 20. Then if I look at this 3x plus 5y equals to 15, if I make this line, okay, and I see 2 points on it. So if you put x equals to 0, y will be 3. If you put y equals to 0, x will be 5. So we will have a situation like this, 0 comma 3, and we will be having a line like this. This is 5 comma 0. Okay. Now, if you look at the third one, 2x plus y equals to 4. So this is x, this is y. So put x equals to 0, y is 4. Put y equals to 0, x is 2. So we have 0 comma 4. This is 4 and 2 comma 0. So somewhere over here. Okay. So now we've drawn these 3 lines. Now the basic feasible region is the region satisfied by these inequalities. Now, if you look at this point origin, okay, and if you put 0, 0 in this inequality, 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20, it will satisfy 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 20, true. So I should be below the yellow line. Similarly, I should be below the pink line and I should be below the green line because origin lies under these inequalities. So therefore, my basic feasible region is this blue shaded region where the corner points are origin 2 comma 0, 0 comma 3 and this point of intersection. Now this point of intersection is the intersection of the pink line and the green line. Okay. So 3x plus 5y equals to 15 and 2x plus y equals to 4. So multiply the second one by 5 and subtract. So you will get 3 minus 10, which is minus 7x, 5y minus 5y 0, 15 minus 20, which is minus 5. So x is equal to 5 by 7. Put x equals to 5 by 7 in 2x plus y equals to 4. So y would be 4 minus 2x. So which is 4 minus 10 by 7, which is 18 by 7. So I got my fourth corner point as well. This fourth corner point is 5 by 7, comma 18 by 7. So now how do we maximize? We write the corner points and we write z equals to 2x plus 3y. So the first corner point is origin. The value of z will be 0. The second one is 2 comma 0. The value of z will be 2 times, the second corner point is 2 comma 0. The value is 2 times 2 plus 3 times 0, which is 4. The third corner point is 0 comma 3. So which is 2 times 0 plus 3 times 3, which is 9. And the fourth corner point is 5 by 7, comma 18 by 7. So this is going to be 5 by 7 plus 2 times 5 by 7 plus 3 times 18 by 7. So 10 by 7 plus 54 by 7, which is 64 by 7. So 64 by 7, option number B is the correct answer. IIT JAM 2024, question number 14. We have been given this differential equation with this initial value condition, and we have to choose the correct option which represents the solution of the given differential equation. Okay. First of all, let us try to write it down as xy dx equals to x square plus y square dy. And it can further be written down as dy by dx equals to xy upon x square plus y square. Now, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Why? Because there is a numerator and a denominator, and the degree of each term is 2. The degree of this term is 2, this term is 2, and here 1 plus 1, 2. So therefore, this is a homogeneous differential equation. The method of solving a homogeneous differential equation is to introduce a new variable v such that y is equal to vx. Then dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. Now these two substitutions should be done in this equation to convert it into a separable differential equation. Let us see how. So we will have v plus x dv by dx equals to xy. So x vx divided by x square plus v square x square. So x square is cancelled from the numerator and denominator. We are left with v plus 1 upon 1, v plus 1, v upon 1 plus v square. So x dv by dx will then become equal to v upon 1 plus v square minus v, which when we solve will lead to this. So we have this. Now we will separate the variables. So we will have 1 plus v square upon v cube dv equals to minus 1 upon x dx. So this can be written down as v power minus 3 dv plus 1 upon v dv plus 1 upon x dx equals to 0. And now if we integrate both the sides, we are going to get v power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus log v plus log x equals to 0. So finally, we use the rule log a plus log b equals to log a into b. So we are going to get minus 1 upon 2 v square plus log vx equals to 0. And in fact, when we integrate, we are going to introduce a constant of integration. So log vx equals to c plus 1 upon 2 v square. Now it is assumed that y equals to vx. So we will have log y equals to c plus 1 upon 2 v square. V is y upon x. So y square and x square over here. Now it is given that y not equals to 1. That means when x equals to 0, y equals to 1. So log 1 equals to c plus, you put x equals to 0, this becomes 0. So c equals to log 1, which is 0. So your particular solution will now turn out to be minus log y equals to c, which is 0, plus x square upon 2y square. So 2 log y equals to x square by y square. So log y square equals to x square by y square. And this means that y square equals to e raised to the power x square by y square. So option B is the correct answer.
JAM 2024, question number 15. Which of the following is not correct? Permanent settlement was introduced by Lord Cornwallis in Bengal in 1793. Which of the following is not correct is the question. So permanent settlement was in fact introduced by Lord Cornwallis in Bengal in 1793. This is a correct statement. Okay. The permanent settlement was introduced in Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha. Let's take a look at option B. The first war of Indian independence occurred in 1857. Okay. This statement B is also correct. The uprising of 1857 is often referred to as the first war of Indian independence. Third statement, Dadabhai Naoroji prepared the estimate of national income in 1860. This statement is incorrect. While Dadabhai Naoroji is credited with the pioneering of the estimation of the national income, he published his famous work called The Poverty and the Un-British Rule in India, which discussed the national income estimation much later, not in 1860. His work on national income did not come in 1860. What about the fourth statement? In 1905, the Swadeshi movement was started in India. This is correct. the Swadeshi movement was indeed launched in 1905 as a response to the partition of Bengal by the British. Okay, so Dadabhai Nauroji prepared the estimate of national income in 1860 is not correct. That is my answer.